Hello friends, welcome to the training of Gobbler time and attendance system. This is a extremely easy time and attendance system to install and use, and at the same time it is carrying all the necessary features that a general office might need. So once you start the software, it's going to come to the screen. The username is admin, the password is 321. So here we connect. Okay, connection is successful. Now once we connect, we come to the main screen of the time and attendance system. There is a whole lot of toolbars on the left hand side which you can use obviously, but this system is carrying an extremely easy shortcut page, which is the first page of the software. Here there are 3 points, 1, 2 and 3, which will carry all the necessary things which you need to use the software completely. So here the first point is device communication. We go to device communication. It is giving you an option of Ethernet connection, or it's giving you an option of USB connection. So if you connect it directly to the USB of a computer, just select USB. If you're connecting to Ethernet, give it the IP address. The same IP address and the machine number you must give in the time and attendance system at the machine itself. It's very easy. Just go to networking. There you'll have an option of putting the IP address. So here we have got the IP address of this trial system which we have installed, and we simply hit the connect button. Here we are connected. So there is some existing data which is already showing out here. Okay, fine. We'll come to the other parts of this menu later. Here we cancel it now. Now once we have done the device communication, we need to go to the time and attendance system. And there we need to record the fingerprints. Now it's the most easy way to record the fingerprints is just go to the attendance system, press the menu button, press 311. 311 would mean menu, 3 is user, 1 is new, and 1 is fingerprint. Now it will ask for the ID. Remember this ID. Supposing you're recording fingerprints for 30 people, you are recording fingerprints one by one. So the first person, the machine will give ID number 1. Remember the ID. No need to give it any name. Just remember the ID and press the OK button. OK, I think you need to press 2 times, and then it will give you the fingerprint option. You will have to record 1 fingerprint for 3 times, then it will accept it. Then you have the option of recording a second fingerprint for the same employee. So you record the fingerprint for all the employees one after another. Like we talked about 30 employees, you record the fingerprint of all 30 employees one by one. Just remember that you must remember the ID number of each employee. So Mr. A is ID number 1. Mr. B is ID number 2. This you must remember. Okay, so once you've recorded the fingerprints, we are done with the time and attendance system. Now we come to the software once again. We go to data collection, hit on the connect button. Yes, it is connected already. We go download staff information we collect, and here you will see it is downloading all the fingerprints. At the bottom screen it is showing that it is downloading some 23 fingerprints. All the end of data it is showing, that means it is downloaded already. Here you will see these names have already been created, so they are already existing out here. Some names have not been created, so it is just written out here. Number 29 is blank because it has got a fingerprint, but the same has been downloaded from the time attendance system, but no name has been given to it right now. Now all the fingerprints have been downloaded in the time and in the software now. The next option, we go to staff management. In staff management, once we go, we see all here the people have already been created. So some new fingerprints have been downloaded, and you can see these are all the new fingerprints which have been downloaded. No name has been given. So let's go to 29. You simply select 29, press the modify button. I can give 29 any name, say Mr. A. I gave it Mr. A, and here I can have the attendance rule given to it. I can have a single punch attendance, a night shift or a default rule. Say I select a default rule for the attendance of Mr. A, and I can simply save it. There is other information which you can give, mail, whatever, position, other information, educational background, telephone number, and various other data. In case it is needed, you can save that. Just or you can even save a picture of the person out here. So for convenience, we will not do all this right now. Simply save it. Here it is showing successfully saved. Now you see here Mr. A has already come in attendance number in the software out here for number 29. Now we will learn how to have the attendance shifts and schedules done. Now there are two options. You go to option number 2. Here you will see attendance setting. There is a general shift setting, which is very, very easy. If you have got a common shift for everyone and one single rule for all the working days, so you apply the general shift setting. And if you need special shifts, then you go in for multiple shift setting. So here we come for attendance setting instructions. Here, once we click on this button, it is asking us for general shift setting. We click on the general shift setting out here. Now there is an option where you can, if you select the top option, you are selecting the morning. There is only morning time and evening time. There is no afternoon lunch time in this. If you select in, that means it is going to accept the first attendance when the person arrives. If you select this out, that means it is also going to accept the second attendance. Now in some cases, some marketing offices are there which only need attendance in the morning. The evening they don't know whether the employees would really return back to office to give them the attendance, so they can choose not to check the out attendance. Then you will see there are some other columns out, some other boxes out here. There is an early time. This is number of minutes which you write. The arrive time is 9:30 in the morning, like you see out here, and the early time is 180 minutes. That means 180 minutes before 9:30. If anyone gives his attendance, it will be recorded as present. If anyone gives before 6:30 a.m. in the morning, it will not be recorded as present. Okay, so if anyone gives the attendance at 6:29, that would not be considered as present. Leave time is 7 p.m. in the evening. Here the late minutes is 180. That means if a person is giving attendance for 3 hours beyond 7 p.m. in the night, that is till 10 p.m., it will record the attendance. Beyond that, it will not record. The second option is to go in for an afternoon lunch time. So you can have, say, like you see in the option out here, 8:30 is the arrival time, and the lunch time is 12 o'clock. Join back at 1:30 in the afternoon. Work till 17:30, that is 5:30, and there is a 30-minute grace period given out here. So you can choose your option. So here, say right now for convenience, we'll select the one shift only, no lunchtime option. We go to the next button. Here you can tick mark all the working days as whichever you want. I mean, if you have a Saturday working, you can check on Saturday also. Go to the next button and just confirm complete. Perfect. This has been already set. Now this is just one option of setting. Some people might have different requirements. That means different shifts for different people. So this is also very easy to do. Just go in for the multiple shift option. Once we go to the multiple shift option, we will see that there are 4 sub menus out here. Let's go to the first menu. First menu is that we are defining all the possible shifts. Now you can give every possible shift that you want out here. Here the default shift is 9:30 to 7. We have given that shift out here. Then we have got another one punch shift. The one punch shift is we have ticked 9:30, but the evening time, there is no time given out here, so that if the person is put on one punch, he can just give one attendance, and that's complete for him. Even if he does not give the attendance in the evening, still he would be marked present. The other option, and we have given another separate option for Saturday. We just gave it the name SAT. This is for Saturday. Saturday is early time. Say it's 9:30 to 4 o'clock in the evening. So we set from 9:30 to 4 o'clock for Saturday. Once we have set all this, these settings, if you want to add a shift, very easy. Just press on the add button, give the shift number, that's 004. The shift name can be for telecallers, and department is still sales. Okay, and here you can have an in time for the telecallers. Maybe you can select a different time because we want to show different shifts. It's 10 o'clock. The out time can be same 1900. Early, we want them to come 60 minutes here, and 60 minutes late they would be allowed to give attendance. And here just select normal. And save. Here it's showing, automatically calculates 9 hours of working, and another shift telecaller has been created. So any employee we want to make with any employee we want to have a different schedule, like the default schedule can be 9:30 to 7. Another schedule can be made 10 o'clock to 7 in the evening. Similarly, all different type of employees, you can have different shifts. So here we are done with setting the shifts, and we go to the next option. Here, multiple work laws. Now work laws, you can create a different work law for different people. We have just got 2 work laws out here. One we call default. Okay, you just go to the add button out here, select weekly or monthly, and supposing it's monthly, you can allot a different shift to any person. We have created many shifts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever shift number you want to allot to anyone in whichever part, on whichever day, you are flexible to do that. The easier option is to do on a weekly basis. That means you can have Sunday as a rest day out here, allot shift number 1 to everyone, and Saturday was shift number 3. So simply give shift number 3 on a Saturday. So like that you can allot different shifts on different days of the week. Here we have already made our shifts, so I will not do any changes out here. So you can see the settings made out here. One Punch has got a separate set of rules, and the default has got a separate set of rules. Here we are done with this part. Next we go to our third setting. Here it's we have to allot a particular rule to a particular employee. So it's extremely easy. We just go to select an employee. We go to a particular department. It will show all the employees. Now if all the rules are applying to all the employees, then we simply select all, everything goes on the other side, press on the OK button, and we select the rules. There are only 2 rules, default and One Punch. Say we give everyone default, and you can have a validity date for that. Now some companies, they would like to change their shifts after some time, so they can have a valid time, or just give it for a long period of time if you don't want to have any validity. So we can simply make it maybe till we can make the validity quite long. And here, after doing all those settings, just save, and the changes will be made, and all the employees will be selected under the particular rule. So this is done now. We have created all the shifts, allotted the shift to the employee, and now we come to the attendance part. The employees have naturally been giving attendance all through the week. Once they have given attendance all through the week, we come to data collection, connect. Here there is download attendance data, download all records, download new records, Once we download new records, it is going to download all the new attendance records given by the employees here. Now we close this. We are done with this. Now we go to data analysis. We give a time range out here. You can select the department if you want for one department or you want all departments out here. So we select all the departments, start analysis. We've given the time range for the month of February. Here we have got, it's analyzing all the data you can see in front out here. It will take a short while to analyze all the data. Perfect, all the analysis is done right now. Now we go to the next option, that is attendance record list. So this is a simple list. It is showing all the departments. You can just click on the employee and it will show you the attendance given by the employee. Here you can see that this employee has only given attendance in the morning. Sometimes he's given in the evening, so it is showing you all the records of the employee. Here there's another employee giving attendance. This is just a sample data, so it is for just convenience sake we have made all this setting. Here you can see. So it's very simple. It is giving the staff number, the name, the department, the card number, that is the employee ID, and the date of the attendance, and it is how many times the employee has given attendance that day, and the punch time. So very, very simple. Very simple and a short data. It explains when the employees have punched their time attendance system.